Today we're going to be working on Leetcode question number 89 and gray code. So if an n-bit gray code sequence is a sequence of 2 raised per n integers where the integers will go from 0 to 2 raised per n minus 1, the first integer is 0. Okay, the integer appears no more than once in the sequence. The binary representation of every pair of adjacent integers differs by exactly 1 bit, and the binary representation of the first and the last integer differs by exactly 1 bit. So the gray code from 0 to 1, or sorry, 0 to 2 raised per n minus 1, which is going to be equal to less than 4, 3, is going to be 0, 1, 3 and 2, because every single time it's differing by only 1 bit, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, or we can have another solution, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1 and 0, 1. So the way we're gonna be doing it is, there are multiple ways of doing it. One is recursive and one is iterative. We'll be just doing the iterative version, uh, in which we're gonna start with our array equals to 0. So let the solution which we're gonna be, the result which we're gonna be returning is ARR, and it is initialized as the first element is gonna be equal to 0. Then we're gonna have a for loop where we're gonna go from the rightmost or the least significant uh, value to the most significant value of uh, that result or ARR array. So we're gonna start from let j equals to the r dot length minus 1. So basically it is the total length, right? And then uh, our j is greater than equal to 0, and then j negative negative, and every single time we're gonna push whatever is that index, like the number represented by the j, and we're gonna mask it. uh, Basically we're gonna or it with one uh, left shift to the actually there is another thing, sorry, we're gonna have two loops here. First loop is gonna actually go from the total 0 to n, and then we have another loop where we're gonna be, so we're gonna have one for loop where our I is gonna go from 0 to I is less than n I plus plus. So this is which we're gonna be using for this one is gonna be the one which we're gonna be using for masking the I. So our j is gonna be from the array length minus 1 to until the j is greater than equal to 0, but like that is gonna get pushed every single time. But then the thing which we're gonna be oring our array of j is one right shifted to the I times. That's how you can create that gray code starting from 0 to the last number. Again, there are two loops. One is gonna go from the I0 to n, and the other one is gonna go from the total number of elements in the uh, current matrix R, and then we're gonna keep pushing that matrix after oring it with one left shift I times. And it passed test cases.